fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this episode started and get you a little bit of box action. Guys know what these is. I got these on the restock this week. I got another steering pair, but I had another pair already. This is the ZX 10,000 Krusty Burgers C White, Sub Cool, FT White. They're just Adidas Krusty Burgers, if you would. I'm only going to take one of the shoes out. I don't think I did this one on the show. I don't know why I didn't. But we're doing it now, and I got some more. Probably put a couple online in case you guys want a pair. Except keep some pairs for myself. Not a bad shoe. Never had any ZX 10,000s. Not a big Adidas guy. A friend of mine named G is the big Adidas guy. He has a lot of these, so before I bought my first pair, I asked him about were they comfortable. He said they're pretty comfortable. That's how, like I said, I had to get this shoe for the Simpsons collection. You see, you get a little bit of more toe tags. There's also a pair of black laces in here. Get these black laces out of here. Adidas does not put them in a bag, but see, they were supposed to be bound, but they weren't. They're always messed up. I guess be careful if you're getting these shoes for resale, but make sure that your bag's not busted, or let the people know that the shoe commonly comes with a busted bag. Materials on this shoe aren't bad. Let's get the light on and do a materials check. I think this is some type of running shoe. So it's a kind of fabric front. Looks like a nubuck, some type of cotton or denim, faux leather. Get one of the toe tags and get you guys some little front toe action. Get the little ketchup. Guess this is supposed to be the hit of mustard or whatever's on the Krusty Burger, the bun. Get a little bit of sweater material on the back. Good with plastic. All good materials. Comes over, follows over to this side with the Adidas checks. Same color material. You guys saw the bottom. A lot of grooves. That's what's leading me to believe that this is a running shoe. One more 360. With the extras. The Krusty the Clown's face and a whole bunch of other stuff. I'm going to bust this bag out because I don't feel like taking them out. But I'm going to do an all Simpsons shoe video soon. I got parts 1 through 6 finished. I think I would just publish them and get going with it. It's a very long video. It's going to be like maybe 5 or 6 hours. Just Simpsons shoes. Alright guys, let's get on with the next shoe. Get on with this next shoe, guys, and cut on the light. Going through my storage unit and found a box of stuff I got from StockX a while ago. I just never took them out the box. And then the box got damaged. As you guys can see, it's not too bad because I'm going to be posting some of these online. So if this is the one you order, you see, most people don't care about the box, so it's okay. I care about the box, so I can't keep it. This is the Air Jordan 1 High OG Code JP, aka the neutral gray. You see, if you buy this pair, you'll get your StockX. I don't know if they'll need to verify it twice, but if you buy them on StockX, eBay, or in person. Does eBay or StockX leave the tag on from the other company if you have it verified by multiples? I think we should do a video finding that. Alright guys, this box, like I said, this is the best box, what we're rocking and rolling. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Like I said, I have the one with the briefcase, and I have 2 pairs of these. I only have 1 pair of the ones with the briefcase. You see the little StockX tag. I used to just pay for the verification for StockX. So you just come by, scan the barcode, or eBay, you scan the RF code if your phone is compliant. And you don't even have to worry about the shoe. You don't have to wait. I usually charge like a little bit extra. But a lot of my shoes come straight from eBay, so StockX or GOAT. I send them in to them, so they don't mind doing little stuff for me. Give me a discount here or there, you know what I mean. Sending a heck of a lot of shoes too. It's got a little bit of light action. Like I said, this shoe isn't bad. Just a basic Jordy 1 high OG. Nothing special. Materials are outstanding. Feel like quality. All leather. Pardon me, guys. I'm getting dusty up in here. But all leather. Silver toe box. Neutral gray toe. This is nubuck. To leather. Back to some sort of like nubuck material. Maybe some type of suede. Silver check. Gray backing. Metallic gray upper to neutral gray. Same thing on this side of the shoe to the neutral gray bottom. Let you guys get a view of what you see when it's on your feet. It's a StockX pair. In case you don't rebuy this pair on StockX or you buy it on GOAT or eBay, like I said, I don't know if they'll leave them, but all of them have been verified by StockX already. Alright guys, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get on with this last shoe. Let me get you a little bit of box action, because as you can see, this isn't a normal Jordy box. You got the Aztec style box here. Bones on the bottom, rib cage. It's got a little bit of label action. Make sure it focuses. Alright, this one reads the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Black, Chili Red, and Cell. This is the Air Jordan 1 SE. I believe the translation is Forever Family or Family First, like the card. The shoe celebrates Aztec heritage. I don't want to misquote it, you guys. I can look it up, check it out. Not a bad shoe. Let me cut this light out. As you can see, I managed to get this shoe in my size and staring and wearing. Comes with 3 lace bags, green, red, and yellow. I'm trying not to bust these bags as usual. There's no way to put them there. That's not good enough. Shoe is made of some very good fabrics. It's like it's made out of the a la Marina materials, but it's just instead of red, it's a black kind of some type of material. A little bit of teeth on the shoes as well. Let me get you guys a close-up on that. So I guess be a jaguar or a dragon. Let me get you guys some light action. Guys, the front of the shoe again, so you can see the materials, the teeth. Again, like I said, 3 colored laces. Green, red, yellow. Aztec Nike swoosh. Jordan Wings logo. Another little Aztec insignia, maybe a Jaguar. It's all made of nubuck or suede here. This is some type of, like I said, burnt leather. Some sort of material. Goes to the back of the shoe as well. Got a little bit of dusties on the back of my shoe, but it's okay. Basic back. Normal Nike swoosh on this side of the shoe. Let's just show you guys the tongue, special tongue. Siempre Familia. I said that wrong. I apologize, guys. My Spanish isn't too good. I'm a Japanese guy. As soon as I seen this shoe, I knew I had to have one to support people's. I like all the out there, new thinking type Jordans. I said that as soon as I seen the mock-up pictures of this or what it's supposed to look like, I said I will be having a pair. Sorry guys, I haven't been showing you the bottom, but there's nothing on the bottom. I want you guys to see the actual shoe. I'll get you guys one more side view and we'll end the video. Like I said, 3 lace bags, plus black laces in the shoe, so you get 4 pairs of laces. Aztec Nike swoosh. Jaguar logo on the back. New Jordan Wings logo. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see in the next video. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Did you get a pair of these? Would you get a pair of these? Everybody enjoy your holidays and take it easy out there. Everybody fucking jump!